Hello everybody. So in 3 minutes video, I'll show you how you can build more targeted lead lists with SuperSearch using signals, a new feature that Instantly announced. Tools like SuperSearch are very good to build like 95% of lead lists for your hypothesis, because as I'm always saying that uh, the most important thing you should have for your outbound is your ICP well done and well described. And for some ICPs, there is no difference if you leverage super deep scoring using Claygen real-time website personalization, or you just use strong, well-filled description based on industry, geography, well-written keywords, and tech stack, and some other things. So and now like Instantly have added signals as an extra layer to build the more um, personalized emails, or to reach out to your prospect at the very relevant moment, I would say. So imagine it's like more like extra layer of personalization. So you can use this data to personalize your message. You can use this data to filter the most relevant companies for your ICP. So let's go to the SuperSearch. So let me show you how it works in practice. So I just created some search. So let's imagine we reach out to directors of marketing in United Kingdom for business services. So employees are between 11 and 25. And let's go to the signals. So when we pick signals, you see like there's a lot of sections we can choose from. Social activity, as you can see, posting on LinkedIn, Twitter, or YouTube, buying intent, Reddit. Yeah, so it's based on Reddit. Reddit actually is a very powerful source. People are underestimating this hugely. So growth signals, it's website traffic, expansion, funding, product launch, and company activity, pricing change, leadership change, compliance update, positive and negative reviews, website traffic. So basically those are signals like the most common we're using across our ICPs and our hypothesis, helping us determine like top tier companies for our ICPs. Okay, so let's build a lead list based on the social activity and LinkedIn posting. So when we select posted on LinkedIn, we can choose also the keywords. And let's, you see like, so basically inside of every signal, you can choose the settings for the signals. So events. So let's reach out to the people, to the directors of marketing, which companies are posting about events on LinkedIn, basically about the events participation. And we're adding this signal. Okay, no people here. Head of marketing. Let's add more companies. Okay, so let's add founders. Yeah, there are like 2 people, but that's enough for our example. So let's go and find emails. And then when we'll be searching for emails. Okay, so work email. We don't need following rich profiles, signals. So basically when we find emails for these people, the extra column we will have is column with signal data. And then we can turn this column to the personalization. So let's make a list. Okay, so enrich 2 leads. Okay, so as you can see, it uses different sources, waterfall approach, right? Okay, so we don't have emails for those people, unfortunately, but there's the activity about LinkedIn. Okay, so here we have the data. So the URL of the posts, the date, the text, likes, and everything. So basically, like you can turn this data into some kind of personalization, and this is what we will do today. So Okay, so this is the text. Dun-dun-dun. Great. Yeah. Okay, so let's create a personalization based on the event LinkedIn posts event text. So for this, we can use AI. So and we can write yeah. So let's make a custom prompt. So basically, I have prepared something. So as you can see in Instantly, you have a lot of templates here. But I just prepared a single prompt just to make it simple. Sales development rep, write short my first name. So the idea is to write the opener based on a LinkedIn post text. So basically based on the event they mention in their post, the company. So use first name, company, and LinkedIn post. So let's map the LinkedIn posts variable just to make it. Okay, so that's the data. So it's the same principle we use in Clay, basically. LinkedIn posts. Okay. And here we can test it. Oliver post tomato sculpture restore behind it. Okay. Don't use long dashes. I don't know why it ignoring the 20 words max. Okay, so let's try again. Okay. All right. So so we can also save this as a template, right? So I'm not doing this today, but and then we generate this for all leads. Right, so and this is going to be like, hey Oliver, love your post, and Lucas, yeah, and this is like the opener you can use in either in email or LinkedIn communication, right? So yeah, so this is the example of how we use Instantly.ai signals in SuperSearch. Feel free to reach out if you would like to have any guidance or some kind of instruction, and yeah, like. Good luck with your marketing initiatives. Just remember that the most important thing is not the tool you're building lead lists for, but the most important thing is that you have your ICP well done and prepared and described. It makes the huge impact on your outbound activities or other go-to-market activities. Cheers.